Welcome back to Ms. English Podcast, where learning English is easy, friendly, and fun. I'm Chloe.
And I'm Ethan. Hello to you, Chloe, and a big warm hello to all our amazing listeners around the world. It is always wonderful to spend this time together.
It really is, Ethan. I always enjoy these moments. You look very cheerful today. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great, thank you. I had a really good and productive morning. I finished many things on my to-do list.
Oh, a productive morning. I love that feeling. What kinds of things did you do?
Well, I went to the supermarket, I walked my dog in the park, and I also went to the bank.
The bank. That is perfect, Ethan.
Perfect? Why is going to the bank perfect? It's a little boring, isn't it?
Maybe a little boring, yes, but perfect because that is our topic today.
No way! Really?
Yes. Today we are talking all about the bank, what we do there, what to say, and how to use the right English words.
Wow, that's a great coincidence. The bank is really important in everyday life.
It sure is. Everyone needs to go to the bank sometimes, and it helps a lot to know how to talk about money in English.
Yes, because money can be a little difficult to talk about, especially in another language.
Exactly. But don't worry, we'll make it easy, clear, and even fun.
That's right. But before we open the doors of our imaginary bank, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes, we do. If you are enjoying this episode, please take just 1 second to click the like button.
Yes, give us a big thumbs up. It really helps us a lot. And don't forget to subscribe to Ms. English Podcast.
We don't want you to miss any of our fun and useful episodes.
And please share this podcast with your friends, your classmates, and even your family. Let's all learn English together.
Thank you so much, everyone. We truly appreciate your support.
All right, Chloe. Are you ready?
Absolutely. Let's go to the bank.
Let's do it. So, why do we go to the bank?
Good question. We go to the bank to keep our money safe.
Yes, the bank is a safe place for our money. We don't want to hide it under our bed.
No, that's definitely not a good idea. The bank is much safer and more professional.
So, the first thing we need when we go to the bank is an account.
An account? What is that exactly?
It's like your personal box at the bank. It's the place where your money lives.
Ah, okay. I understand. Are there different kinds of accounts?
Yes, there are two main types of accounts.
2 types. Tell me.
The first one is called a checking account.
A checking account. What is it for?
It's for your daily life, everyday spending.
So, for example, when I buy my morning coffee or pay for groceries, I use money from my checking account?
Exactly. That's the money you use often.
Okay, simple enough. And what's the second type?
The second type is a savings account.
Ah, I remember. We talked about saving money before.
Yes, we did. A savings account is for money you want to keep for the future, like for a vacation, a new phone, or an emergency.
I get it now. Checking is for today. Savings is for tomorrow.
Perfect, Chloe. You're a quick learner.
Thank you. So, if I want to open an account, what do I say?
You can go to the bank and say, "Hello, I would like to open an account, please."
That's a great and useful sentence. I would like to open an account, please.
Yes, and they will ask you for some things, your ID, for example.
My ID? Like my driver's license or my passport?
Yes, exactly. Something with your photo and your full name.
All right. I always carry my ID. What else do they need?
They might ask for your address, where you live.
That's easy. I know where I live.
Good. Then you'll need to fill out a form, a paper with questions like your name, address, and phone number.
Yes, I know those forms. At the end, I write my name, my signature.
Exactly. You sign the form to make it official.
Then, hooray! I have my bank account.
Congratulations. Now, what's next? You can deposit money into your account.
Deposit? That means I put money in right. Reasonably.
Correct. You can say, "I would like to make a deposit, please."
I would like to make a deposit, please. Got it. And what if I need to take money out?
Then you make a withdrawal.
Withdrawal? That's a long word.
It is. You can also say, I'd like to take out some cash, please.
That sounds easier. I like the simple one.
Good choice. And the person who helps you at the bank is called a teller.
A teller, the person behind the glass window, right?
Yes, the teller helps with deposits and withdrawals. They are usually very friendly.
That's nice. But what if the bank is closed? It's late and I need cash for pizza.
No worries. You can use the ATM, the automated teller machine.
Yes, the ATM. It's like a small robot bank.
Exactly. It's open all day and all night. You only need your bank card and your PIN, your secret number. PIN, love, over, brave, 2, and 5.
My PIN. I never tell anyone my PIN. It's top secret.
Good. Always keep it private. So at the ATM, you put your card in, enter your PIN, choose an amount, and magic, the machine gives you money.
That's amazing. But don't forget to take your card back.
Yes, never forget that.
Ethan, what happens if I lose my bank card?
That's stressful. But don't panic. You must call your bank right away and tell them. They'll cancel your card so no one else can use it.
That's a relief. It keeps my money safe.
Exactly. Safety first.
I have another question. I'm traveling to Europe soon, but they use euros, not dollars.
Yes, that's right. You'll need foreign currency. Dollars, euros, pounds, yen. These are all different currencies.
Can I get euros from my bank?
Usually, yes. You can exchange your money. You give them dollars, they give you euros.
That's so helpful. I'll remember to say, I'd like to exchange some money, please.
Perfect.
Do you use online banking, Ethan?
Yes, all the time. I use my bank's app on my phone. It's so convenient.
I agree. You can check your balance anytime.
Right. The balance shows how much money you have right now.
I always check my balance before buying something expensive.
That's a smart habit. You can also pay bills through online banking, electricity, internet, phone, everything.
It saves so much time. No long lines, no paper, no stamps.
Technology really makes banking easier. But sometimes, it's still nice to go to the real bank and talk to people.
Yes, I agree. The tellers are helpful and kind, especially when you have a question.
Alright, Chloe, let's review today's key words.
Great idea. Okay, the place we keep our money is the bank.
And our personal money box is our account.
If we put money in, that's a deposit.
If we take money out, that's a withdrawal.
The robot bank is the ATM, and the secret code is the PIN.
Perfect. You get an A+ today, Chloe.
Thank you, Professor Ethan. These are really helpful words.
They sure are. So, Chloe, do you prefer using cash or your card?
I think I prefer my card. It's easier to carry and safer too.
I agree. But sometimes, I like to have a little cash for small things, a bus ticket or a cup of coffee.
Yes, it's good to have both.
Well, I think it's time to close our bank for today.
Yes, we hope this episode helps you feel confident about banking in English.
Don't be afraid. The people at the bank want to help you.
Just remember your keywords: account, deposit, withdrawal, ATM, PIN.
Exactly. And now, we have a question for you, our wonderful listeners.
Tell us in the comments, do you prefer to use cash or card?
We love reading your answers. It's great writing practice for your English, too.
And don't forget to subscribe to Miss English Podcast so you never miss a new episode.
Share it with your friends and family who are learning English, too.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Yes, thank you. Have a wonderful day and happy banking.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye for now.